Hi Facebook friends, earlier some of you saw the photo I took of my $50 food shop, and I thought I would just do a video to help you see how I reduce waste. So I have washed and chopped all the veggies. I've put the ends of the green veggies and whatever I wasn't using in my big 15-litre pot to boil down to make veggie stock. Peeled the bananas because they are freezable. You can freeze them and they are a lot yummier to use in the smoothies as frozen. Kept a couple aside for brekkie and they help the avocados ripen, and wrapping the ginger and turmeric in wet paper towel helps to keep them moist. I've also separated the softer vegetables and fruit to one shelf for smoothies and the crunchier, fresh, crisper ones on another shelf for eating straight away. Hope that helps. Happy eating!